Welcome to another video. Today unboxing video of a refurbished iPhone 7 which I got from China for 400 euro. Checked everywhere, but the normal price around 600 euro, like if you will buy in Europe or even online from eBay. So that's the one of the cheap plate that I bought for 400 euro. So just start the unboxing. So I already opened it, but still to do the unboxing video as well for you. So that's the manual. Phone. Try to turn on it. Yep. So that's the UK charger, plug, the earphone, but which you have to connect through USB port. I don't know why they removed the old thing, 3.5 jack one. So I don't know why they did that. And USB cable. So that's the phone, completely covered by plastic. I just want to remove the plastic. There's dirt on it because I already used it. That's why I want to put the SIM card as well. So and I have a 3 SIM card as well. So check the internet speed of the phone as well. So yeah, like you will get lots of cheap phone from Aliexpress nowadays because they have a refurbished, so they sell it for very cheap price. Like they have an iPhone 4, 5C, 5 or 5S. They had iPhone 4, but I think it's now out of market. Probably no one buy at the moment. So, or even someone like the collection or something, so they can buy a lot of old phone that you will find in Aliexpress. So I already connect to the Wi-Fi. So that's the phone, and these work. Yep. And the button, like when you push the button, if it feels something different, like it's normally different than the iPhone 6, or we check the R1. So I think this phone is very nice to buy. And I see the camera. Yep. And that's the picture quality. But again, like I don't want to do that much review because the iPhone 7 already came out in market. I think around more than a year ago. So I know you will watch already lots of review video, but just want to show you the refurbished phone. Like it's nicer, that you can see, and that's a jet black. So yeah, so if you want to buy these phones, I will share link with you in the description, so you can get from there. So I have 2 iPhones as well. If you know this, the first generation and the second generation, iPhone 2G, normally they call it iPhone 1, and iPhone 3G. And you can see like how the world has changed during the 10 years. In this one I installed wide door 6, the costume, and this is one wide door 7. And oh god. So during that period, it's completely change everything, but still look much nicer. If you check the resolution and everything, but you know, if I try to use both them in this stage, that only you can listen music or you use for call. Other than that, internet is not working well. So nowadays use those phones is completely different, but if you check their shape, that you can see the sides. But still I love those two phones because they changed the mobile world. And even like there is Siri as well. What can I help you with? Hello Siri. Oh yeah, still there's the internet, should be work. No, yeah, come on. Hello. Because very slow again. So probably in future this phone will look like those two phones, but again it's better. Alright, that's it for today. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.